What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today, happy Tuesday. Today, probably going to be a quick video. We're just going to take a look, give it a bird's eye view of the markets. We're going to take a look at everything from the 1 month to see what looks bullish, what doesn't. A lot of the projects that I'm in, that I show you guys, look pretty bullish from the 1 month. Bitcoin definitely looks bullish. We're going to take a look at total 3. We're going to take a look at as many charts as possible from the 1 month because it gives us a bird's eye view. It gives us a really good perspective. Remember, when in doubt, zoom out. And I don't think a lot of people really look at the 1 month like they should. And so without further ado, let's do this. This isn't the 1 month of Bitcoin. This is not the 1 month. This is on the daily. And basically, after a few days run up, we're clearly in this triangle. We're taking a little breather as of this morning, anyways. Bitcoin trading at 70,537. Let's see what happens though. We have to kind of clear this little area right here. We can't really put bodies here. I would like to see it go up a little higher where this is right here, where this area was right here. If you can see that. It would be nice, but we really don't really have bodies up here. We have bodies here, but we've done that before. And last time we did give that back. We did lose this area of support, but not for too long. Just a few days. Get some strength to see if we can finally make this run to try to beat this, to try to get over this area of resistance at 73,531. All right, so let's see what happens. Maybe we stay in this triangle for a little bit longer, hang out right around here really for a little bit before breaking up, or maybe even breaking down. But that Bitcoin halving is right there, so I think we're like 10 days away or something like that. All right, so let's put everything onto the 1 month and see what it all looks like. All right, as I mentioned yesterday, on the 1 month of Bitcoin, every little line, I mean every candle representing 1 month looks extremely bullish. We'll see what happens this month of April. Yeah, this month of April, Bitcoin halving month. Let's see if we end up having another green month, which would be amazing. Just 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months, and this one could be the 8th green month in a row. We'll see what happens. Or maybe we take a breather and we have kind of like a little sideways month, or one of these type of months that you see right here, kind of like a breather month. All right, but we'll see. So that's Bitcoin on the 1 month. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Okay, if we look at it on the 1 month, what does it look like? Well, it's been going down this descending line, as you can see, right? From 2017, touched it again in 2021, January 1st, 2021, and we are on the verge of trying to touch it again now. And let's see what happens. Do we get rejected as we have been, right? Or do we finally break through, which would be very bullish if we break through. We haven't done it in many years. Or is this trend continuing? Something to really try to keep in the back of your mind, right? But it would be nice to see it break out and maybe come up here, test this, and maybe come back and play right around here, play right around this area. But we'll see. We do want Bitcoin to go up. The altcoins love when Bitcoin goes up, and look what the altcoin total 3 chart looks like. All right, this is all monthly, and as you can see, we're in this channel that's kind of closing in on itself. But we have a long way to go. We're right here, right? We're right here to get up here. Even like at the end of 2024, right? Say February 1st, 2025. We're looking at around a $3 trillion market cap. Right now, we're at under $1 trillion, 741 billion. So there's a lot of upside for the altcoin markets, guys. All right, so this is looking to me very bullish. We bounced off of this, right? And we've moved up. We've done that before. We've gone up to the top of this line. So we did this here, and maybe we're gonna go to the top of this line somewhere, peeking out right around there, do something like this, boom before heading back down this way. But that would be at the end of this cycle, right? Going down this way. More than likely, this run up, this bull market, we're gonna make an attempt to go up here somewhere. So something to keep in mind as well. And now let's take a look at some altcoins, guys. Let's take a look at some altcoins because they look extremely bullish. I'm gonna take all that stuff off so you can see this is Relio network. All right, and look at this beautiful V-shaped recovery, just taking back all these losses right here. Boom. Give me that. Boom. and so close to being on the verge of price discovery. Once we get out of this kind of area right here, $3-4, we are gone and off to the races, guys. Right, land share. Does that not look bullish? I mean, that looks bullish to me after dropping. And this isn't the complete chart. This is on BNB. I think there's a little bit more to it here, but either way, it still looks extremely bullish after months and months of red. Boom, going up, and now we're having a red month right now. What happened previously? A couple of months of red, and then boom, two huge candles up, guys. All right, so maybe something along those lines. Maybe we have this month of red, and then boom, back up, or 2 months of red, and boom, back up. So maybe we're in a good accumulation zone, to be honest. Land share, Credify, also extremely bullish, like a V-shaped recovery as well. I love these recoveries where they're dramatically bouncing off of the all-time lows and coming up. It shows a lot of strength. Credify, still a green month, although we have some wicks, so let's see what happens. Still, I think a lot of these are right now, the real world asset plays are in good buy zones, to be honest with you. Even though you see it like this is Stobox, STBU, boom, they're in like Paris week too, for blockchain crypto, so apparently they're doing well over there. And this chart looks extremely bullish. This is the longest consolidation before this run up, and then 2 months of consolidation. This was like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 10 months, guys, and then boom, 2 months, boom. Is it just 1 month? It's April that we have kind of a red month, and then boom, back up. Once we break out of this area right here, 40 cents, we are in price discovery, and we are gonna just boom out of there. Good project. Trias, how does Trias look? Okay, we'll use this one again, same thing. I think it looks very bullish, although we're having consolidation, which is fine. This is what it does, right? Consolidation, it can do months of consolidation, right? This was 3, 4, 5 months of consolidation in the big wick. This is 4 months right now. At the lower part of this little, I don't know what you would call it, consolidation area, right? You can see the wicks though. The wicks down, but they've gotten eaten up. So I mean, the bodies are kind of a little bit closer together than it shows right here at $9.20. It's really right now, 11.53 is where this body's at. But after this consolidation, I can envision it doing something like this because it's such a good project. And the chart really looks bullish on the 1 month, doesn't it? Right now, it's just perfect to accumulate. It's a perfect accumulation area. UBXS, right? After doing this, dropping, coming back up, giving all those gains pretty much back. Higher low, higher lows. And now, boom, we have taken off, and we are actually right now in price discovery because we've taken off past all of this, and we're having a green month, 41 cents, but this is where you accumulate. Sinverse also looking bullish as well. A couple of months, just boom, 2 months, it won back all of this losses, all these losses right here, right? Now we're having a few months of now, 3, 4. This is month number 5, and then after but I mean, still, even looking at this consolidation, higher low, right? Low, higher low. So I mean, as long as we keep that and we don't really drop, I mean, we could drop down here and double wick it and double bottom it, which wouldn't be, we've done it before, right? Boom, on the way down, right? And then it's just double bottom and violently down. So it could be, because we're on going up, right? Could be maybe that we double bottom and then boom, go up. Great recovery though, and right now perfect accumulation zone in a really good value area. Fundamentally, this is a strong project, guys, so eventually this thing will pump hard. Okay, we get out of this area, come back up here and break through this area about 1.6, 1.5, 1.8, 0.018, 0.016, 0.017. Once we break through this, we're gone. We're off to the races. Not much resistance here, and then boom, off to the races. $1 or $2 is I think where Sinverse can hit. Creo engine. Tell me that doesn't look bullish. Months and months and months of blue. I mean, of green. 3, 4, 5, 6 months, and then right now we're having kind of a red month, breather month. Perfect time to get in on a great project. Obviously, very strong project. Prop base, all basically green on the way up. Couple of months of consolidation, 3 months of consolidation before this big pump. Boom, boom. And it's green right now. I mean, it's green right now. So I mean, maybe you wait for maybe like a month like this or a month like this. To get in on this project. Tectum, another one, just strong chart, new chart. So There's not a lot of baggage. All right, not a lot of baggage, and that's what we want. 2 red months, right? 2 red months, and the lower part of this right here. So I mean, $25, pretty good, guys. This is actually screaming buy area. Nakamoto Games. Also, they all look, a lot of my projects look really, really good on the 1 month, really strong. Nakamoto Games, also the same thing. Right now, we're experiencing consolidation, but at least higher lows, and eventually we're going to break through here and get up to 6, 7, 8, and eventually break past that and just go crazy parabolic. All these ones are looking so primed. Ori Chain, same thing, right? Going down, little W, higher low, and then boom, see ya. We're having a red month right now, but we've had that before, and then followed by a bunch of green months. So let's see if right now it's actually probably a good buy area, and then boom, for that next leg up. Everything looks like it's ready for that next leg up. Even Veracity, check out Veracity. Chart doesn't look bad at all, guys. All right, this is all-time high. Previous cycle dropped, and now higher low, right? I mean, it's just stepping up, guys. And I think that's going to continue right now. Just consolidation like we've seen in the past. Nothing too crazy. But eventually it's going to keep going up. And eventually we're going to break past this all-time highs. Boom. I think it can get to $1. GHX Gamer Coin. If you didn't think this chart looks bullish, I don't know what to tell you. You're looking at it wrong, buddy. All right. So a red month, and just on the verge of being a red month in 19 cents, but we still got a long way to go in the month. I mean, we still got like 2/3 of it left, so let's see what happens. Could be that this is probably where you want to buy, load up if you believe in this project. Deep in AI play, Gamercoin, and beautiful chart, all those months of green, and I think it's gonna still continue going up, guys. So this is not like these things are just stopping right here and then turning around. No sorry, Bob. Soonverse. After all that drop, boom, we're getting it all back pretty much. We're having a red month. Once we get out of this kind of area, it seems like it's just kind of consolidating, stalling out for a little bit. But eventually we're going to get enough strength where we're going to keep going up like the rest of these projects. And this thing's such a low market cap. To get in at these levels is going to be great, because I think this can easily do not easily, but this can do 100x from current levels, maybe even more, because it's such a low market cap. It doesn't take much money to move it. WADSPay, higher low. I like it. It hasn't been as violent up, right, compared to the other ones where it's just like a big V violent up. It's more of a stair step, and that's cool. Slow burn, I'll take it. 3 cents. We're having a pretty good beginning of the month, and let's see if that continue. Eventually I think it will, guys. All of these I think they're gonna keep going up. Laggard, Uno Re. But as you can see, it seems that it's finally woken up, and it's taken back all of these months and months of losses in a short 2-month span. And now we're taking a breather. Hopefully it will continue going in this direction. Uno Re still looks pretty decent. I like these next 2 months. It'll be interesting to see what happens this month of April, but not a bad accumulation area. Sidus Gaming Play. Very, very bullish. A few months here, consolidation, and then boom, up. And now we're having a red month, giving some of these gains back. But I mean, we can consolidate right here. Eventually it's going to keep going up the way I see it. We are in a bull market after all, boys and girls. All right. Fab Belt, similar. Kind of a V shape, and then kind of stair stepping since March of 2023. Boom, stair stepping, higher low. This was a lower low, but still, it was just a wick. Boom. I think we're looking pretty decent right here, guys. Stair stepping. As long as we continue stair stepping, eventually we're gonna have some parabolic pumps. Boom, up. Compete. How does Compete look? Same thing. Stair stepping. Higher low, heading in the right direction, looking bullish, guys. I'm telling you, all these things are looking bullish. I do pick winners. Block Square token looks really bullish, actually. It looks really bullish if you look at it this way. 81 cents. I think it's still got a long ways to go. I mean, this consolidation area. Look at the red months, guys. These are the times to be picking up, because eventually we're going to catch some of these pumps. Boom, if we're in the project. We don't know exactly when, but it will happen, as far as I can tell. Let's see what CTI looks like. CTI actually looks pretty bullish too. Higher low. All of them are heading in the right direction, guys. Leo X looks very bullish, although we're giving back a lot of this big pump, but that's cool. $1.21, not bad. It went as high as $1.93, almost $2. So right here is actually not a bad buy zone. Does it still keep dropping more? Maybe, but that's why you DCA. Weco, stair stepping up. I like it. Stair stepping up. Looks very bullish on the 1 month as well. Carrot, how does Carrot look like? After this drop, boom, a couple months, and now we're giving a good amount back. This is a gaming play, Alaska Gold Rush looks really, the game looks really cool. And we're having 4 months. I mean, if you take a look and you do your homework and you see that this project fundamentally looks very strong, right here would be actually an excellent buying opportunity under a penny. Eventually it will turn around, and I think eventually it will continue this. Boom, up. GQ doesn't look all that bullish to me, right? GQ doesn't look all that bullish to me. It looks like we're still trying to find a base. So this is one where I would not put any more money in, although I have a little bit of capital in it. I did buy down here, so I am okay. Eventually I think it will turn around and go the other way, but might take a little while. GQ, Galactic Quadrant, or Blink Galaxy as it is apparently now called. Nasdaq's very volatile, right? Consolidation, we dropped down, we got it all back, and now we're giving a lot of it back as well, kind of staying right here. I think eventually it will turn around. I might get out earlier. Once it gets up around here, you know, right here. It depends on the situation, depends on where I am, but I'm just gonna hold it for now. I thought about getting out right here, and maybe I should have. I could have deployed that money into other stuff, but it's a relatively small position. I guess it can pump, right? So I'm gonna hold out and wait to see. It's a real world asset play. I'm gonna hold out to see what happens. Hopefully this turns around. I can get it closer up here, and I'll reassess once we're up there, if and when we're up there. Probably when we're up there. DNX, one that I've been accumulating recently, as you can tell, after months of starting out months straight, nice, and then just consolidating right now. And this one looks like it's turned a little bit sideways right here. So this is probably where it'll probably base out and eventually move up again. So 69 cents, not bad at all. I have a buy-in order for this one that's been waiting for it to hit forever. Layer AI, same thing. I have a buy-in order. I've been waiting for it to hit forever. And this one looks very strong as well, right? Having a red consolidation month. Let's see what happens. Do we turn around after that? I mean, we had one in January, and then February and March look good. Now April is red. Let's see if what happens this month. It'd be a good area to accumulate. Low market cap coin, AI play. Senate, what are we looking at? This is the governance token of CITUS. It looks all right. Consolidation. If it comes back up here, I want to get into another project, I might use the capital from this one to get into it, because I have exposure to this project with CITUS, and I think that is more than enough. Boson Protocol. I like it. Looks bullish. I've thought about selling a few times, but I think it's still got a lot more legs to go up, and I'd rather sell up here than down here, to be honest with you. 66 cents. I don't exactly need the capital right now. It looks pretty good. AGC is one I'm accumulating, and it looks really strong, right? A newer project, well, this according to this chart. And well, we're having a red month right after that. We're taking a breather. Great area to accumulate. Luckily, I am accumulating at this area. Shrapnel. What does shrapnel look like? Consolidating. After a nice pump, right at the beginning, it's consolidating. Let's see if after this consolidation, it starts pumping up higher. I have a very small amount of that. All right, and meme coin, base god, 1 month, brand new, and it looks pretty good. Just one big god candle wick. Guys, I think that is it. I really wanted to bring to your attention how things look in the 1 month, because I mean, you can judge for yourself, but they look pretty damn bullish to me. Bitcoin looks pretty damn bullish to me. Let's see what happens this week. Hopefully we stay above 69,179 and we start building bodies there, and eventually start going past that area of resistance at around 73,000 and making new all-time highs. That'll be great. 10 days away from the Bitcoin halving. Are you guys excited? Let me know. Leave a comment if you can. Please subscribe. Please like. That would greatly help this channel. I'm trying to grow it, and your help is greatly appreciated. Keep on viewing. Keep on watching. I'll give you the best alpha I possibly can. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.